Hello, you two-stroke fanatic. As you might have read in the title, today I'm gonna be testing my brand new ECU tuning device from Two-Stroke Performance called ERM. As you can see, it's a bit cold down here where we are, and I thought I will wait for the ground to unfreeze and then test it with the normal conditions. But then I thought, listen, I have those studded tires which produce amazing grip in the very cold and hard ground. So I think it will be the best time to actually test and compare stock tune to the ERM one. So let's hop on the bike, put on the baseline with the stock ECU tuning, and then install the new updated map from Two-Stroke Performance. Let's go. Okay, so for the baseline, let's go to find some hills and see how we can slowly climb tractor up them, and then test it with an updated map. Okay, where does this go? Oh, this goes there, I know. Maybe here you could have heard that in the steep places I had to rev the engine quite a bit. I'm driving in second gear because my gearing is very low. So basically my second gear is almost like my first gear on the stock bike. Let's go for some more. Let's try maybe faster climbs and see how it feels. Oh, that was actually nice. Did not have a lot of speed, and then it kind of get into that low range where it was not generating enough power to keep the speed or to accelerate. It was just going down. Let's find one faster hill. Yep. Okay, let's try this one. Tons of grip with the studded tires. So yeah, it's really hard to do this slow stuff in a second gear. This means I have to get into the first gear, but it is very slow. So I might need to then upshift, which is not easy when you are going into uphills. Anyway, let's try to get out of here with first. Yeah, first is good, but it ends very fast. Yeah, in the end you see the power of the second gear was not enough. Let's try slow. I don't think it's possible with a second. Let's try to get into first. It is pretty steep up here, and it would not be possible to do without the steady tires, because we have such a soft ground that it would be no grip. Whew. Shit, that was hard. Shit, it gets so steep. Let's try side hill. Not really. I guess I'll have to go down again. Maybe if it was just a pure ground it would be easy, but as you can see there's plenty of leaves, barks and everything here, so it's kind of slipping off, especially when you don't have a big area of contact with the tire. Okay, I think I have a pretty good baseline. Let's go and try to flash the ECU. Okay, before I start trying, I have to say one thing. This might not actually work, because TSP recommends me to adjust air screw to 3.5 turns out, as well as to have an idle screw, and I just received this and didn't have time to make those modifications, so it might not actually work very well. But because my bike was perfect from the start, I didn't have any issues with working poorly, fouling plugs. I hope it will work actually. So let's connect the ERM and try. Connecting is easy. I just have to connect this plug, which was covered by this cover, and that's pretty much it. That's powering up. And we have to press pair. Okay, so it paired with the ECU, read the current map, which you can see is original 23300 TPI, and then I have this new map which I downloaded from ERM-TSP I think .com, which I can now flash. So let's select that, tune. Let's leave everything on stock and press flash. Okay guys, so the ECU is flash. Let's start the bike for the first time together. Seems to be working, no issues. Whoa, sounds clean. Very little pipe bang, which I had before quite a lot. Sounds clean. Let's go back to the hills and try it. Ah, I don't know if it's placebo, but the throttle seems more responsive from the very down low. Yeah, nice. Let's see how this bike feels on the hills. Let's try fast first. Woo! Yeah, it feels that even in that low RPM, when you give gas, it delivers power. Nice. Let's try slow now. Maybe it's not night and day, but what I can feel is that it's much easier. For example, now when I stopped here, it was much easier to hold the bike in the position in second gear. I could keep it in a lower RPMs. The engine would still not shut off, so yeah, that's nice. Also, it sounds so much cleaner. Amazing, love it. That's for sure an improvement. Whoa, nice. Nice, I liked it. Oh. Wow, I hope I didn't break the front fender again. Maybe not. My bike is not gonna look good pretty fast. Did I bend my wheel? Feels like I really bent my handlebars somehow. Now I think this side is pointing down. I guess that's what you get when you test a bike on a frozen ground. Well, that would be the same if I was driving on the rocky terrain, but what can you do? Expensive tests. Shit! Feel like I can't control the bike. Very, very strange position of the handlebars. Okay, second gear. Yeah, it produces very nice power down low. I like it. Let's try slow now. In the low end, it does generate power. Of course, it's not gonna be like double the power, but for sure you can feel it generates more. Also, it's more responsive, the throttle in the lower end. So I guess it's nice. I just hate how the handlebars feel now. Need to fix it because it's very hard to drive the bike. Yeah, it's nice. And it's almost no pipe bang. My hands are getting tired with this handlebar setup. Also, it seems like it starts better. It seems like it starts faster. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. The only issue, I feel like the engine seems to stall a bit easier. Like if I release just a bit too much of clutch, it just stalls pretty fast. And that might be an solvable issue with that air screw mod. Maybe it needs a bit more air than it's now getting. So guys, here's my first impressions with ERM and TSP tune. I like how the bike sounds. I like how responsive it is to the throttle in the lowest RPMs in the just beginning of opening it. I don't like how it stalls easier, but I need to check my throttle body and see how much do I have the air screw out. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you liked, press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.